Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Olympus number WP22. This is a 1/4-inch spacer for 7/8 diameter locks. Let's just take some basic dimensional properties of this. The overall width, about 1 inch and 5/8. The overall height, about 1 inch and 3/8. Say it's 1/4 inch. Caliper tells me it's 0.253, so sure, 1/4 inch. This is going to be used when you have a lock that's going to be going through your casework, your drawer front, let's say, and the length of the body is longer than what you'd like it to be in terms of projecting off of the face of whatever you're installing it to. And spacers are used to pull that body back inside of the unit, inside of the drawer, let's say, or the door, so that the face of the cylinder projects less far than it was without the spacer. They make these in different thicknesses, and they are for 7/8 diameter locks. There's a series of Olympus 7/8 locks. Let's switch to the screen view and let me show you, please, where these are used. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Okay, here's the item that we are looking at. Let's just take a look at some photos that we have quickly about it. Okay, your spacer photos. Now, extended description information. The new data is they're priced and sold per each. When you buy one, we'll ship you one. These are the locks that they're compatible with, that the spacer is used with. The 1, 2, 5, 6, 100 series and others. This link to the data sheet here is valuable because it will show you the different thicknesses available. 3/32, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. Okay. Now, these lock series, what we'll do is, let's copy our part number. And below this video, as seen here, there's a link to the manufacturer's page. And when you open that up, you can view not only all of the Olympus items we sell by means of that horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Let's open up that full product catalog and then let's search for WP22. You'll find that it shows up in this catalog at least 8 different times, if you can see that. Well, indeed, the first one is a 100 series lock. And what you'll find in this catalog, on the cut sheet of the particular lock, there will always be, for that item that's in question, 100, 200, whatever it might be, you'll get the details on the page of the item, some dimensional properties, other derivatives that are available, a table for showing you the different part numbers, what it's used for, the finishes, the length of the cylinder, and how it would be available in terms of keying. But on the right side, there's always specifications, and then additional information, such as optional accessories. And the WP22 is showing up here for this 100 series lock. And as we go through the rest of the catalog, we'll see where it shows up. So all that was here's the 500 series. All that was the Control F function or find function on the keyboard for WP22. Pretty handy because it will allow you to understand, what lock this would be used with. And of course, near the rear of the catalog shows particular information on this spacer. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. I suppose there may not be a lot to really say about a plastic spacer used for a cabinet lock, but at the end of the day, it's nice to be able to see what it actually looks like, and it's nice to be able to find out where the additional manufacturer's resources are for the product line. Any questions on the WP22? spacer or any other Olympus product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.